Okay, so the question is, what is the theoretical probability of getting a sum of 9 on one roll of 2 fair number cubes? And the student answered, there are 36 equally likely outcomes. The favorable outcomes are those with a sum of 9, are 3 and 6, and 4 and 5. And this is how it was solved. Now, finding what's wrong, let's take a look at the table here. Looking at the table here, we can actually find more than 2 favorable outcomes with a sum of 9. So there's 3 and 6. Sorry about that. And there's 4 and 5. There's also 5 and 4, and 6 and 3. So there are actually 4 favorable outcomes with a sum of 9, not just 2. So, changing the former answer, the probability of a sum of 9 is equal to 4 favorable outcomes over 36 total possible outcomes, and that can be simplified to 1 over 9. And this is the correct answer. 1 over 9 is the probability of getting a sum of 9 on one roll of 2 fair number cubes.